Buying a stock is equal to owning a part of the company. It implies that a portion of the profit and loss account of company rightfully belongs to you. Since business dynamics keep changing often, it is ideal to focus on profit and loss account of each stock you have in your portfolio. However, collection of reliable data on all companies in real time is difficult. In Pi, Vivekam collects information on all your stocks, builds profit and loss account of your holding in each company, then it aggregates all line items before converting them into percentages to compare with Nifty. By spotting the weak factors in your portfolio, Vivekam marks watch against those line items. Vivekam identifies the weakest stock in your list and suggests to drop them first to improve your portfolio's health. Cleaning of your portfolio can be undertaken either in auto mode or manual mode. In auto mode, all weak stocks will be marked in one go. In manual mode, you will be prompted to drop or skip the stock identified as the root cause and harming your portfolio. If you have valid reason to hold a given stock, you may skip that stock. Once optimum level is reached, an alert comes up on the screen. After this, you will have the status of portfolio before and after this exercise to know how your portfolio's financials improved. Proceeding further, you will have retained and removed companies list with amounts. If you wish, Vivekam can suggest you the stocks to be bought with amount realized from removed stocks. If you wish to distribute the amounts in good stocks owned by you, Vivekam will distribute the amount in companies that are considered best in that order. Once poor stocks in your portfolio are identified, you can either sell them immediately or take help from Vivekam on when to sell. Poor stocks are sold by Vivekam when they are 97% of their expected value. Other stocks in portfolio will be suggested for sale when they reach 97% of highest expected value. Vivekam's price service helps investors have their portfolio monitored regularly and be advised when the stocks reach their desired levels. Price will allow backtesting for earlier periods to demonstrate how effective it could have been in your case.